What's good? It's your boy Young Hazer, the Fly Delinquents. I'm about to go in for y'all real quick. You know how we do. We made the people go. She fiending for your boy, she don't want it, but she need it. Like Michael Jackson, she wants me to beat it. This is Young Haze on this motherfucker remix. The boy's so hot, I'm like X-Men's Phoenix. Yeah, and like X-Men, I'm beastin'. Shorty got a man, but we the X and I'm the reason. Got your record sales falling like the first season. The boy's so cold, I'm like a winter in Cleveland. I could be your Superman, all you gotta do is believe it. Fly boy fresh said, you know I'm on my G shit. Baby, when my tactics get you wetter than the beaches. Coming right my way, but I bet you get seasick, huh? And you know how we get. I ain't trying to lock it down like the bars in the precinct. I'm just trying to bring you around the fly stars. You know we think Lord, you know I go hard because I go far, and you can get anything off of my card. And baby, you are my star, and me and you, we can go for it. Oh, they can't believe it. Yeah, Fly Delinquents on a remix. We killin' whatever beat it. We rippin' it on a remix. Yeah, we made people go. We made people go. And that's just a little verse for y'all, a little something playing around with y'all. I'ma keep doing this. All I need is y'all to just come through and comment. TFD, Fly Delinquents, we out here. We on some new shit. Let's go.